It's always something. Getting ready to hook up the mower to cut hay. And I got a cow standing outside the fence. And honestly, I don't know where the rest of the cows are. Hopefully they're at the pond over here just chilling, but I gotta get this one cow up. Oh, I see him. Looks like the other ones are in the barn. We're gonna try to get this cow up. That actually went better than it could have possibly ever went. She ended up catching herself. She come into the barn lot here. I had the gate open because I've been stacking some hay in here right now. And I come driving around out of the field and she's in here. So I think they're trying to tell me they're ready to move to the other pasture, which is a good thing because evidently now I got to fix the fence where she went over it. So I'm gonna move these cows to this other pasture real quick. I'm videoing this with my phone. This will probably be the easiest thing I did all day. I got that other cow in that other pasture, and I'm about to move these cows. And they're pretty much saying, we're ready. Move us, please. So this ought to be easy. There goes little man. Quit beating up my bell. Off to greener pastures they go. They know the drill. You open the gates and they go right in, just like a script. Some good grass in here right now, so they ought to be fat and happy for a while. All right, now I gotta go get the hay mower hooked up and get to work. Peace. So my very last hay that I was cutting and baling, I had a chunk of my baler that come loose, busted off, so I took a razor knife and just cut that piece off so it would quit slapping on the metal there. But we got that belt taken off, taking it to the local Vermeer dealer down here. They're gonna splice it, they're gonna get it fixed up for me. I'm done with hay for right now. I got all my first cutting stuff done, so you know, I'm just trying to get this thing in working order before second cut gets grown. Hopefully. We have been getting rain, so that's a good thing. I mean, we've had at least three good days of rain, so fields are looking good. Pastures were burned up, but they're starting to improve, so thank God. But we're gonna get this belt fixed and we'll put it on shortly. All right, well, today we are heading to, first we gotta repair the fence. I'm gonna put a panel over where one of the cows got out. We're gonna put the new belt on that we got fixed, and we're gonna move the cows back over into that barn lot. You know, it's not a whole lot of grass in there, but there's more grass than where they are right now. A whole bunch of that clover come up that we seeded, so that's a good thing, but we're about to get busy. So here's the belt that they repaired for me. They put a splice in here to fix the part that was broken, so in theory all we got to do, put it back on the baler. So I'll show you. You can see it's that belt right there, and supposedly what we got to do, take this piece off right here, lift it all the way up, and then it goes on right here. And when you let it back down, it's supposed to put slack in the belt, so we can get the belt on there and latch it. Anyway, that's what it says it's supposed to do. We'll see how it goes. So I'll take you over here and show you real quick this section of the fence we got to fix, which I don't think is going to be that big a deal, but I think she just pushed it down and went over top of it. So should be this section right here. This right here. I'm just going to take a fence panel, wire it over this, and be done with it. So. I hear him. Oh, there he is. I think he's stuck. Oh, is that Lakota? Alright, so we got the fence repaired. We're about to move these cows and catch this calf and get him banded. Got my pretty new cast. Got rid of the camo. This one I can actually take off and supposedly get wet and let it dry out, but I haven't tested that yet. But got our bander ready. We can try to catch him and get this taken care of. When we get this taken care of, we're gonna fix the baler, and then that'll be it for today. Got him banded. There he goes.